Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I am going to give away my monochromatic project that I had made for the Monochromatic YouTube hop. And again, I'd like to thank Kimmy Murray for putting it together, and all of you guys for watching and following along. So I said I was going to give away my project. So again, this is the box that I made, okay? And the folio that is inside. Once we open the box, there's a spot for photos there. And this is the actual folio that is inside the box. So I'm gonna give this away, and again, I want to thank everyone for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and let's give this away. So I'm going to insert a picture of the winner, and I am leaving my email in the description box so that the winner can email me and send me your address so I can send this out for you. That way you have it in your possession, and congratulations. And again, thank you everyone very much. I appreciate you guys. Here's that photo, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.